Hello, and welcome to your financial journey. Imagine this. It's a quiet morning. You check your bank account and realize you're in complete control of your finances. Bills are paid, savings are growing, investments are working for you, and you still have money to enjoy life. This audiobook is your guide to that life. It's designed to give you practical, step-by-step methods to build wealth automatically. Spend intentionally. Invest intelligently. Avoid money stress. This is not about penny pinching or depriving yourself. This is about designing your life around the money that serves you. Throughout this audiobook, I'll pause at moments to give you exercises, examples, and questions for reflection. Take them seriously. They are the keys to turning theory into real results. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of people who are focused on becoming their best selves every day. And trust me, you'll want to watch until the end, because that's where the real game-changing insight comes in. Chapter 1. Banking, laying the foundation of wealth. Before you can save or invest, you need the right accounts. Most people struggle with money, not because they earn too little, but because their money is trapped in the wrong accounts or eaten by fees. Step 1. High-interest savings account. This is your emergency fund. Ideally, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. Keep it separate from checking so you're not tempted to spend it. Even a small interest rate compounds over time, quietly growing your safety net. Step 2. No fee checking account. Fees are silent thieves. Avoid them entirely. Look for accounts with free online bill pay, no minimum balances, and easy access to ATMs. Step 3. Credit cards. Use them strategically for rewards or cashback. Never carry a balance because interest is devastating. Treat credit as a tool, not free money. Exercise. Open a high-interest savings account if you don't have one. Check your checking account. How much do fees cost you yearly? Review your credit cards. Are you earning rewards or paying interest? Example story. Meet Sarah. Sarah had $20 in her checking account and was constantly stressed about overdrafts. She opened a high-yield savings account and automated $200 per month from her paycheck. Within a year, she had an emergency fund of $2,400. She slept better and felt free. Reflection. Ask yourself, does my money work for me? Or am I working for my money? Chapter 2. Debt breaking free for financial traps. Debt is one of the fastest ways to destroy financial freedom, but handled correctly, it can be neutralized quickly. High interest versus low interest debt. High interest bad debt credit cards, payday loans. Low interest manageable debt, student loans, mortgages. Step 1. List every debt. Include balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Seeing it all on paper is your first step to control. Step 2. Decide a repayment strategy. Debt avalanche. Pay highest interest first, saves money long term. Debt snowball. Pay smallest balances first, psychological wins. Step 3. Automate payments. Minimum payments automatically paid to avoid late fees. Extra money goes to the debt you are targeting first. Example story. John had $10,000 in credit card debt at 18% interest. He decided to pay $500 per month toward the highest interest card while automating minimums on the rest. Within 2 years, he was debt-free and redirected $500 per month into investments. Exercise. Write down all debts today. Identify the highest interest debt. Plan your first payment strategy for next month. Reflection. Debt is a temporary obstacle. Tackling it systematically frees not just money, but mental energy for investing and growth. Chapter 3. Conscious spending. Spend on what you love. Stop starving your lifestyle just to save. The truth, you don't have to cut all fun spending to be rich. The secret is conscious spending. Step 1. Track all spending for a month. Every coffee, every subscription, every Uber ride. Write it down or use an app. Awareness is everything. Step 2. Categorize your spending. Fixed costs, rent, utilities, insurance, investments and savings, automated contributions, fun money, hobbies, dining out, travel. Step 3. Optimize spending. Cut mercilessly on what you don't care about. Spend extravagantly on what brings joy. Example story. Emma loved traveling but spent $200 per month on streaming subscriptions she never watched. She canceled the subscriptions and redirected that $200 toward travel fund. In 1 year, she took her dream trip to Italy without stress. Reflection questions. What are the things you truly value? What are the things you waste money on out of habit? How can you redirect that money toward what makes you happy? Exercise. Create your first conscious spending plan today. Identify 2 to 3 areas where you can cut spending and 1 to 2 areas to spend more joyfully. At this pace, expanding each chapter this way makes the audiobook multi-hour, immersive, and actionable. Chapter 4. Automate your finances, set it and forget it. Imagine this. Every month, money moves automatically from your paycheck into your savings, investments, and bills without you lifting a finger. Sounds like magic? That's automation. Ramit Sethi calls it the rich life system. Once set up, your finances grow automatically, and you free your brain for more important things: living, creating, and enjoying life. Step 1. Automate savings. Decide a fixed percentage of your income to save each month. Automate transfers to your high-interest savings account right after payday. Treat savings like a recurring bill, non-negotiable. Example. Lisa sets up $300 to automatically transfer to her savings on the 1st of every month. By the end of the year, she has $3,600 saved without thinking about it. Step 2. Automate investments. Use retirement accounts, 401k, Roth IRA, or a brokerage account. Set up automatic contributions, ideally 5% of your income. Choose low-cost index funds for simplicity. Exercise. Check if your employer offers automatic 401k contributions. If yes, ensure contributions are maximized to at least get full employer match. If not, automate monthly transfers to an IRA or brokerage account. Step 3. Automate bills. Avoid late fees and stress. Automate rent, utilities, loan payments, insurance, and subscriptions. For variable bills like electricity, consider autopay with alerts to track usage. Example story. Mark used to pay bills manually and frequently forgot. He missed a credit card payment and was charged $35. After automating everything, he never missed a payment again and even started seeing a small cashback from automatic credit card usage. Step 4. Optimize automation. Review automated systems quarterly. Increase savings and investments with every raise. Adjust for life changes like moving, new job, or family additions. Reflection. Ask yourself, if I automate wisely, how much mental energy can I free each month? Exercise. Write down all current bills and payments. Automate 70-100% of essential transactions this month. Set up 1 automated savings, transfer small or large today. Chapter 5. Investing. Grow your wealth over time. Investing early is the single most powerful way to grow wealth. Sethi emphasizes long-term, low-maintenance strategies. Step 1. Understand investment options. Index funds. Track the market. Low fees. Historically reliable. 401k. Employer-sponsored, tax-advantaged retirement savings. Roth IRA. Contributions grow tax-free. Perfect for long-term wealth. Reflection. Investing isn't gambling. You don't need to time the market. The key is consistency and compounding. Step 2. Start small, start early. Even $100 per month makes a difference over decades. Time is your biggest advantage. Compound interest multiplies small contributions into large sums. Example, starting at 25, $200 per month invested at 7% equals $100,000 by 35. Starting at 35, $200 per month equals $40,000 by 45. Time beats intensity. The earlier you start, the better. Step 3. Avoid shiny object investing. Stocks, crypto, hot trends. Don't chase hype. Stick with diversified index funds and long-term growth strategies. Check portfolios annually, not daily. Exercise. If you don't have investments, open an IRA or brokerage account today. Commit to automatic monthly contributions. Reflection. Ask yourself, am I investing for short-term thrill or long-term freedom? Step 4. Maximize tax advantages. Employer match on 401k equals free money. Don't leave it on the table. Roth IRA contributions grow tax-free, perfect for long-term growth. Example story. Anna contributed $5,000 per year to her Roth IRA starting at 25. By 65, it had grown to over $1 million. That's the power of time and compounding, even with modest contributions. Chapter 6. Negotiation. Don't leave money on the table. Most people underestimate their ability to negotiate. Negotiation isn't just for salaries, it's for services, bills, and even big purchases. Step 1. Negotiate your salary. Research industry rates before interviews. Practice scripts. Based on my experience in the market rate, I was expecting a salary in the $X$Y range. Can we adjust? Don't apologize. Confidence matters. Example story. David received an offer for $60,000. After negotiating professionally, he secured $68,000. That's $8,000 extra for doing the same work. Over 30 years, accounting for raises and compounding investments, negotiation can easily add hundreds of thousands to your lifetime earnings. Step 2. Negotiate recurring bills. Call providers. Internet, cable, phone, insurance. Script. I noticed a competitor offers a lower rate. Can you match it? Often, they will lower rates to keep you as a customer. Example. Jessica negotiated her internet bill from $70 to $50 per month. Over a year, that's $240 saved, compounded over decades. It's thousands. Step 3. Negotiate purchases, major purchases. Cars, appliances, services. Even a small discount or perk adds up. Approach politely. Be willing to walk away. Reflection. Ask yourself, how much money have I left on the table by not asking? Step 4. Make negotiation a habit. Review bills and subscriptions annually. Practice negotiation scripts. Treat negotiation like a financial habit, not a one-time event. Exercise. Identify 3 bills or recurring expenses you can negotiate this week. Write a script and call your providers. Track the savings and reinvest it into your system. Chapter 7. The psychology of money. Master your mindset. Money isn't just math, it's emotional. Most people struggle with money, not because they don't know what to do, but because emotions and psychology sabotage their decisions. Ramit Sethi emphasizes understanding your money mindset. Let's break it down. Step 1. Identify your money triggers. Ask yourself, do I spend when I'm stressed? Do I avoid checking my bank account out of fear? Do I feel guilty spending on myself? Example. Tom noticed he bought expensive gadgets whenever he felt anxious at work. Awareness was the first step to changing his behavior. Step 2. Build systems to avoid emotional spending. Automation helps reduce emotional decisions. Decide in advance what portion of money is for fun and stick to it. Exercise. Track emotional purchases for 1 month. Identify 1 to 2 triggers and create a system to prevent unnecessary spending. Step 3. Align spending with values. You don't need to feel guilty for spending on things you love. Avoid spending on things you don't care about. Example story. Sophie loved traveling but was obsessed with buying every fashion trend. By reallocating fashion money to travel, she had her dream European trip and still stayed within her budget. Step 4. Reframe wealth. Wealth is freedom, not just numbers. Ask, how can money help me live my desired life? Reflection exercise. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal life. What role does money play? Write down 3 actions you can take this month to align your finances with that vision. Key takeaway. Systems plus awareness equals reduced stress, better decisions, and a mindset of abundance. Chapter 8. Investing in yourself, your greatest asset. The most important investment isn't stocks or bonds, it's you. Skills, education, and personal growth can increase your earning potential and life satisfaction. Step 1. Skill building. Learn skills that increase your value in your current job or industry. Consider certifications, online courses, or workshops. Example: Alex spent $1,500 on a coding boot camp. Within a year, he earned a $15,000 raise, 10x return on investment. Step 2. Create multiple income streams. Diversify income to reduce risk. Freelancing, side businesses, or investments can supplement salary. Exercise. List 3 skills or hobbies you could monetize. Brainstorm ways to earn at least $500 per month from them. Step 3. Take calculated risks. Don't be reckless, but don't be afraid. Risk is part of growth. Analyze, prepare, and act. Example story. Maria left her 9-to-5 job to start a small online business. With careful planning, she replaced her salary within a year and gained flexibility and freedom she never had before. Step 4. Measure returns. Track how your personal investment skills, education, networks pay off over time. Reinvest your gains in further growth. Reflection. Ask yourself, where can I invest in myself this month that could pay off for years? Key takeaway. Investing in yourself compounds just like money. The more skills and knowledge you build, the richer your life becomes. Chapter 9. Making it all work, the rich life system. Now that you understand banking, debt, spending, automation, investing, negotiation, psychology, and personal growth, it's time to combine it all into a system. Step 1. Combine all financial habits: open accounts, automate, invest, spend consciously, negotiate, review quarterly. This creates a self-sustaining system. Example story. James automated savings, paid off high-interest debt, and invested consistently. He tracks spending monthly and negotiates bills yearly. 10 years later, he's debt-free, invests $1,000 per month, and enjoys vacations without stress. Step 2. Quarterly reviews evaluate spending, savings, investments, and personal growth. Adjust your system for life, changes, raises, moving, family. Exercise. Set a recurring quarterly review in your calendar. Ask what worked, what didn't, where can I improve? Step 3. Reinforce positive habits. Celebrate wins, small and large. Recognize progress instead of punishing yourself for mistakes. Reflection exercise. List 3 financial wins from the past month. Write down 1 habit to reinforce next month. Step 4. Long-term vision. Your financial system should support the life you want in 5, 10, 20 years. Ask yourself, does my current system align with my ultimate goals? Final story. Rachel started with $200 per month investments, automated bills, and a conscious spending plan. Over 15 years, she retired early, travels globally, and lives stress-free, all because she built a system and let it work. Final thoughts. Becoming rich is a system, not a secret. Stop thinking wealth is a secret. It's about consistent, intelligent action. Build systems. Automate, invest, spend consciously, negotiate, and grow yourself. Focus on mindset. Reduce fear, guilt, and emotional spending. Start today. Don't wait for the right time. Takeaway action plan. Set up automated savings and investments. Track and optimize spending. Pay off high-interest debt. Invest in skills and personal growth. Negotiate bills and income regularly. Review and adjust quarterly. Enjoy life while building wealth. Remember, wealth is not just money, it's freedom, security, and the ability to live life on your terms. Thank you for visiting our YouTube channel's huge library audiobooks. We have more books about financial, motivation, investing, learn more Forex, trading, psychology, mindset. See you next books. Don't forget to subscribe if you want helps us. Please click on that black button you see down there.